Hi guys, it's Monday the 14th of October. So my little witch here has been going for 5 days. It was the 9th of October. I started her off on this potato battery and she slowed right down again. In fact, I've just been along here and wiggled the conductors a bit to try and increase their conductivity, because they do build up on the surface. I think you can see she's going faster with me just doing that. Yeah, they get the salts build up on the surface of the conductors and reduce the conductivity. So she's going a little bit better there now that I've wiggled those. Yeah. Okay, so that's, I'd say 5 days, or in our 5th day anyway. This lemon battery, yeah, I have already given that a little squeeze to encourage it a bit. So, not very convincing, that one, I would say. And then my little Kenny here, as I'm calling him, because he reminds me of the South Park figure. He's not doing very well in this dull condition. He is just a little twitch. But if we compare that, ignore that one's running on a little button cell battery. But that one's going alright. That one's going alright. That one's hardly going, and that one's hardly going. Is he going to go? Yeah, he's going alright. And the monkey isn't going. So there really isn't much light about. Is this one going at all? Don't think so. That one needs a good bit of sunlight to get it going as well. So yeah, I think she's on her last legs. That's not lasting as well as the snowman did, but then the snowman had bigger potatoes. That sounds wrong, doesn't it? The other thing is I've been to, let's zoom out a bit, zoomed out a bit there. I've been to Home Bargains, and that looks familiar, doesn't it? The original one came from Poundland. I spotted these in Home Bargains, and they're only 79 pence in Home Bargains, whereas I paid £1 in Poundland. And he really does look identical. Whether he's going to work in this sunlight. Sunlight. Yeah, just a tiny bit of a twitch. How about Dancing Pumpkin? Oh, they call that one Dancing Ghost. I'm going to call it Kenny. Or Kenny 2, being as I've already got one. So, Dancing Pumpkin and Dancing Zombie. He's going quite well, considering there's no sunlight. He's just twitching a tiny bit. He's wobbling a little bit. I'll just give him a quick burst of light just so we can see that they do actually work. Yeah, okay, well that's today's solar wobblers and homemade batteries episode. Just an update. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.